Jamaican jerk seasonings. Family and friends, excited to let you know that my line of jerk seasonings are now live. Meaning you can make your own pineapple jerk, your own peach jerk, and we have original. Don't feel like making your escovitch sauce from scratch? Not to worry. We have mild and we have hot escovitch sauce. I promise you won't be disappointed. Check them out right now. Paprikash, or paprika chicken, is an Hungarian chicken dish. Kind of like a Jamaican stew chicken, but in a lot of paprika. People, remember there's a big old world out there. And there are millions of dishes. So today we're cooking Hungarian. Now, obviously this is not going to be an authentic Hungarian dish. Because as I love to disclaim, Jamaican is the only authentic food I can cook. However, I'm open to try a dish from every other cultures all over the world with my Jamaican twist on it. Season my chicken with all the seasonings you saw me using, and I included some of my original jerk seasoning marinade. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. As you heard in the beginning, today we're making paprikash chicken. It's an Hungarian dish which is just paprika chicken. I marinated my meat overnight and I didn't get to film that with camera, but I made a TikTok from it, so I just added a TikTok to the front of the video. Guys, this is a dish you should try. Pot on the stove, I added a little oil. I really wanted to fry off the fat, the chicken skin. I just didn't remember because I'm so used to throwing it away. I threw it away, but I planned to season it with this, fry it off, and then just take it out and use that as the grease. But I didn't do that. But if you guys are doing this, do that. Now I added a little oil and put them in the pot and just brown them on each side. Take them out, add some garlic, some onions, some scallion, stir fry that bell peppers, 2 color bell peppers I use. You can use 3 if you want. And stir fry that until those are mixed in the flavor that's left in the pot. Then you want to add a 1/3 cup. That's what I use for this amount of chicken. 1/3 cup of paprika. I used smoked paprika. If you have a good paprika, that's awesome. Now stir in that paprika to blend with all the flavors and seasoning that's in there. Stir it in thoroughly. Then you add coconut milk. I used a can and a half. You can use less, you can use more, but a can and a half was perfect for what I did. So I added the coconut milk, stir that in thoroughly, let it break down the icy one, and just stirring everything. I added a spoon of sugar. Okay, listen, paprika can be a little bitter. It's kind of like if you use too much curry or so, especially if you don't have a good one, the perfect one. And even if you do, it probably can end up a little bitter. So I added the sugar for that, and I started with 1 onion, but I end up using 3 onions because the onion will take away bitterness. Anything you're making and it's bitter, just throw a lot of onions in it if you can. If it's porridge, I can't tell you to throw onion in porridge, but anything, any meat, if you put too much curry in your chicken and it tastes a little bitter, a lot of onion, as much as you want, and just let it cook out because the gas from the onion take away the bitterness, especially if you even add like a spoon of sugar. Perfect. Even in your curry, add a spoon of sugar. You're not going to sweeten the curry now, but add a little spoon of sugar and keep tasting until your food come right back on track the way how you want it. And remember, when you add the onion, leave it for cook out. So don't just add it and taste. Add the onion, let it boil at least a 10 or 5-10 minutes in it. Stir it up good and then you taste it. And just keep tasting until it reaches wherever you want it. Perfect. It was perfectly seasoned, but it wanted a little more salt. So instead of just adding salt, I added the Tony so I get the salt and the flavor. And oh my God, this turned out so good. I added the chicken back to the pot and just cover it down and let it simmer. It simmered for about 40-45 minutes because I was making some mashed potato and it was simmering the whole time. I was washing the potato, cutting the potato, boiling the potato, mashing the potato. So I served it with some mash and it was great. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Take care. Mwah.